All right, so my question was, is race socially constructed? And I said, yes, it is, because race as such do not actually exist, but that some groups are still racially defined because the idea persists in many people's minds that races are distinct biological categories with physically distinguishable characteristics and a shared common culture heritage. And then even in the video, it says that it was easy to put races and categories, which then would prove that race is constructed.
So I answered the question, are there biological components to race? No, there are not biological components to race. In the video, Race, the Power of an Illusion, it discusses Richard Lewontin, an American evolutionary biologist, and his research on how much genetic variation fell within and how much between groups we regarded as races. The results of his research determined that Caucasians' genetic makeup is just as different to one another as they are to someone that is of a different race. Our sociology book also discusses this. The book refers to the Human Genome Project, which had the goal to create a map of all of the genes on the 23 pairs of human chromosomes and to sequence all DNA-based pairs that make up those chromosomes. In the project's conclusion, it indicated that there are not separate races that exist within humans. While different genes for physical traits can be identified between individuals, there are no consistent patterns of genes across the human genome that exist to distinguish one race from another. Something that has a lot to do with the differences in genetic makeups has to do with geography. The book discusses that people who have lived in the same geographic region for many generations may have some alleles in common, but no alleles will be found in all members of one population and in no members of any other. An example of geography influencing genes is the example of people of African and Asian descent being more likely to get sickle cell anemia. This is because in areas like Africa and Asia, malaria was present. Because of this, people who have descended from ancestors that were from these areas, they are more apt to get sickle cell anemia.
My question was, how has characterizing people based on physical attributes created systems of hierarchy? Categorizing people based on races made it easier for whites whom were dominating Africa to justify the enslavement of natives whom were biologically different and visually different. This allowed for whites to feel better about themselves as they labeled those who looked different a certain way and made them feel superior to those who looked inferior to them, which that created a system of hierarchy.
My question is compare and contrast two of the sociological perspective and how they would examine the concept of race. So I pick functionalism and conflict theory. So the similarity between functionalism and conflict theory are they're both